Thank you for choose Aegis solution. Today we are going to walk you through iTouch, Aegis app-based control platform. First, let's download iTouch through App Store. Before turn it on, please first make sure the IP address of the iPad are connected to the same network segment as where controller are. Then we can begin now. Please use the default username and password for your first time login. Check the user manual for help. Choose the project and click OK. The name of the project will shows on the third row at the left-hand side. Which the layouts were created can also be seen at the following rows. At the button of the left-hand side shows the CEC On and Off. This helps users to turn on and off all the displays at once by just one touch of this button. Also, the content of the encoders are lying below. Let's first see how matrix layout works. For users, all the things needs to worry is the content shows on each display. The only thing we need to do is just drag the encoder below and drop to the display that we want. Then click Apply button at the top right-hand side to allow the layout setting reflects on the display. To change the content needs also just drag and drop. And click Apply. Now move on to TV wall or video wall layout by choose the layout options at the left side. This 3x3 TV wall was now been remarked with a red circle, which is also tells user the screens are now been united as one display and the encoder is not yet been assigned. Drag the encoder at the bottom and you can drop to any corner of the united screen. And then click Apply. Audience can now see the video wall was displaying, and the red circle turns green. To change the content, also needs just drag and drop and click Apply. The circle will turn red after drop the new content, and turn green after click Apply. Go back to the matrix and just click Apply. The display will now change from the video wall to the matrix layout had been set before. Please remember to click Apply every time after change the content. Well, find constant change content bothering. Let's create a preset layout of matrix. Press Save Presets button at the left-hand side. And click OK after name it. Now the saved preset matrix can be found in the presets area. Back to group to save another preset layout for the TV wall. First choose TV wall option and click Apply. Make sure the content is the needed one. Click Save Presets and name it. It then can be seen in the presets area after click OK. Other than constantly click Apply, once check the Auto Apply next to it, the screen layout will reflect on the display automatically as you switch between different screen layouts. To change project, needs just choose the icon with the 3 horizontal lines to open project. A window will pop up with all projects listed in it. For advanced settings and managements can be found after click the function icon at the top right-hand corner from Change Controller IP. Access for administrator for the advanced settings to turn on and off the CEC and other functions. For advanced password configuration, please refer the user manual. Like drag and drop to all display at once via to all screen and more. And to device control, to check and reboot the device's connection. iTouch Plus making control intuitive. Please go to Aegis website by scan the QR code here. Thank you for watching it.
Aegis, connection together.